Hello everybody and welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and today I am in Melliha, exactly as you can see. I look behind me, it's Armier Bay, very well known in Malta. Today our target is to visit Coral Lagoon and maybe go a little bit more, which is a very unique lagoon in Malta. You have to pass through a small cave, and the waters, as you can expect, they are beautiful. As you can see today, the conditions are beautiful. The sea is flat calm, the wind is force 1, so nearly nothing. The building in front of me is Torri Abjad. It's another project of restoration from the Lagoon Malta, which do nearly all the monuments and beautiful buildings, historical buildings they are under their eye, and they are doing a very good job. From here I say big thank you also to Albert, who is a very keen member of the Lagoon Malta, because he does a lot of cleanups around this area, so big thanks to him. And the one, this bay here, is called Torri Abjad Bay, because Torri means tower, Abjad means white, so that is also the white tower flower. We don't cross this area. Here we made it to Torri Abjad Bay, surrounded by boat houses. It is very typical of this area in many places near the sea. Many of these boat houses, they have been inherited from generations. They are not just built now. This is White Tower Bay, and White Tower is called because that building there is the White Tower, or as we call it in Maltese, Torri Abjad. May I remind you that this have been restored lately. It's beautiful, and one can visit here by appointment. If you go to the Facebook page, you will find all the details. This is beautiful as usual here in Malta. I never visited this beach. It's very nice. I will have to come here. So from here I will have to go all around here, go another bay, and then we go to Coral Lagoon. Today I have to say a hello to a special subscriber whose name is Vesa, and his father Arto. They are from Finland, and we met about 3 weeks ago in Malta. He was with his lovely family, his wife Amabel, and his brother Simon. So from here I say hello. Look, this here. I think you wish you were here again. Hope I see you soon. The land you can see in front of me is Comino. I did a video there about 1 month ago, where we and Sharon went to trek all around this small island. It was a very beautiful adventure. And also last year I left from here with the kayak, and I did all around the island, which is amazing, the sea in Comino. I suggest that you go and watch these videos, because they are very nice, both of them. This is the White Tower again. I'm going around the White Tower. Here you can see Comino, and the very strange thing is, in the sky there is only that small cloud above goes over Comino. In front of me there is Coral Lagoon. You cannot actually see it because it's like a hole in the ground, so from here it's very difficult to see. You must be on the edge there. But as soon as we go around this part, we will find an opening that leads us inside the lagoon. Lately I did a video of here as well. It's I walked from Laħrax Madonna to here, to Coral Lagoon. Very nice trek, and here is a little bit choppy, but for this kayak it's nothing. We are following the coast. until we find the opening on the other side. Hope it won't be so choppy that it will not allow us to go inside, but it's not that bad. Here we find the opening to the Coral Lagoon. And it shouldn't be a big problem to go all the way to the If you higher there, and this is Coral Lagoon. Beautiful, eh? This is the entrance to Coral Lagoon. This is the big opening you see from above, and this is what you find here. Look at this here, how beautiful it is. And now there's a small cave that you can explore as well. Some people jump from here, but as you can see up there, there's a sign not to jump, can be dangerous, but it's a beautiful lagoon here. Look at this. It's an amazing place. But now let me take you inside that small cave. Now let's explore this cave inside Coral Lagoon. You know, I like this. It's a little bit tight, you cannot roll this water. But look how easy it is. Be aware that your cave must be around 11 feet or else you won't be able to turn inside here. And this is how far away one can go. This is how far back one can go. Now we can start getting close. This beautiful turquoise here. You can see the other opening on the other side. What a view, eh? Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, eh? Now it's time to head back out, eh? So let's go. Well, there is the entrance to Coral Lagoon that I just exited. We have a group of divers here because here is beautiful to dive as well. And these are the cliffs It's around this area. Look. The sea, as you can imagine, it's beautiful. And it's perfect with my kayak, the yellow. So now we're going to start heading there. So where we launch and get on land. From this beautiful location I have to say bye. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful vlog. I really enjoyed it. I did this area here from there to here in another vlog about 2 months ago, so you can see it as well from them. It's a very beautiful location here. It's a little bit rugged, but that's why it's so beautiful. Until next time, bye bye. Yeah, remember to subscribe to my channel, and whoever wants to comment, more than welcome. I like those subscribers to comment. Bye.